This is Mr. V, and in this video we are going to learn how to factorize an expression by identifying algebraic factors. We want to factorize the expression 8x squared plus 12x. Factorizing is the opposite of expanding a bracket. So instead of expanding a bracket to remove the bracket, we want to now turn our expression into a factor multiplied into a bracket. To do this, we are going to have to identify common factors and then rewrite the equation into the factorized form. So the expression we've got is 8x squared plus 12x. And what we're going to do is we're going to think of which factors both of these numbers have. So let's start with this 8x squared. And I'm going to write this in red because this is what I'm thinking or writing on a scrap piece of paper. So to make the number 8, I can either multiply 1 by 8, I can multiply 2 by 4, and I can do the reverses. I can multiply 4 by 2 and 8 by 1, but I'm not going to write those because they're already there. Likewise, to make x squared, we've got two options. We can multiply x squared by 1, or we can multiply x by x. So any combination of these numbers and these variable parts will give us 8x squared. Now we want to do the same to 12x. So again, red pen, I can do 1 times 12 to make 12. I can go 2 times 6, 3 times 4, and all of the reverses. And to make x, well, there's only one option, which is x times 1. And of course, in variables, the 1 is actually kind of imaginary. So let's have a look here. Which largest factors are shared between 8x squared and 12x? And when we're looking here, we can see that in both of these lists, we have the number 4. So 4 is a common factor, and it's the largest one. And in terms of the variables, the largest common factors we've got are x and x. So when I'm rewriting this into the factorized form, 8x squared plus 12x, we're going to have the term 4x in front of this bracket, okay, because they were the common factors that both of these lists have. And what we're going to do is we're going to take these leftovers, the 2x and the 3 times 1, and they're going to go inside of the bracket. So we're going to have 2x plus, and 3 times 1 is just 3. So the factorized form of 8x squared plus 12x is 4x into the bracket 2x plus 3. And you can double check this by now expanding it out, and you'll get this same expression back out. And that is how we can factorize an expression by identifying algebraic factors. Fantastic.